CID-014 lithium electric drill with brushless motor has a torque of 65 Nm, suitable for various materials and occasions. Ergonomic design of rubberized handle, comfortable to hold. Dual speed. A high-end batch head is given as a gift. Torque adjustment 20. 3-speed adjustment. 13 mm keyless all-metal chuck. Forward and reverse adjustment. Stepless speed switch. Strong LED auxiliary light. Drilling screws, drilling holes in wood, drilling holes in iron plates.